Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to go over how to fix the Wondershare Filmora rendering issue where the audio and the visual aren't syncing up. Seems like it's a big issue, so let's go ahead and get started with the video. Hey guys, so I was going to do a different video for my first video how-to thing, and this issue came up. And apparently it's not an issue that's just for me. It's a problem that others have experienced. So what I've decided to do is make this my first video. This is going to be how to fix an audio visual syncing issue once a film is rendered in Filmora. So let's say you've already uploaded everything. Obviously I've got a couple things already imported here, and you go and you do your preview. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I want to show you most of the time. Now the problem that I have right now is that I've got so many things running between the audio, the visual, all the little things. They're kind of not syncing perfectly, but they are syncing better than if I went ahead and rendered this video. So the audio, the visual, they all work together great. Yay! Let's go ahead and add this to the project. Now it's added to the project. We're going to go ahead and bring this all the way back and press play. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I want to show you. Now it's like super duper way behind, right? So here's what we can do to fix this. And I discovered this a little bit through some searching the Filmora forums, and what I ended up finding was what you want to change is called the frames per second, the frame rate, FPS. Mine, for some reason, started setting up at 29.97 frames per second. And I found when I put it to 30, it got a little better. When I put it to 50, it got even better. But when I put it to 60, it was perfect. Now, it does have to re-render, so it takes a few moments here. And you see how everything has a lot more frames in there now. It extends a bit. Now, let's go ahead and watch this. Hey, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today, I want to show you how to get notifications. So much better, right? So that's how you're going to fix it, is you're going to go to this little computer setting thing right here, click on that, change project aspect ratio. Don't worry about any of this other stuff. Worry about that frames per second. 60 frames per second is going to give you more frames, more picture per second. It has nothing to do with the audio itself, just the picture. That's why there's so many issues with the syncing up between what you're seeing and what you're hearing. The frames per second weren't matching. So if you change that on your video, it's going to make it so much smoother. In the meantime, I hope this helps somebody. This may not be 100% fixed for everybody, but I guarantee it's going to help somebody out there. So I really, really hope this has helped. If it's helped you, please leave a comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, because I'm going to be doing various how-to things. The video you're watching on this video is going to be how to get notifications on your Facebook without leaving that stupid comment that everybody leaves that does nothing for the conversation with the word following or the letter F, or even worse, a period. So make sure you tune in, because that's going to be the next video, and you'll be able to see other such fun videos over the course of the next few weeks. I'm going to be kind of including things that have bugged me on the internet side, because I know I'm not alone. So see you soon. Make sure you subscribe to get the notification. Like this with a big, huge, giant thumbs up. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but your laundry is probably still in the washing machine. Go get that.